Let's sigma know about median of group data. The median is a measure of central tendency, which gives the value of the middlemost observation in the data. To find the median of group data, or ungrouped data, we have to know about cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency of a group, or set of data, or class intervals, in a frequency distribution table, is the sum of the frequencies of the data obtained, up to a required level, or class. If the cumulative frequencies are represented in a table, then it is called the cumulative frequency distribution table. Let us see types of cumulative frequency distribution. Less than cumulative frequency distribution, and more than cumulative frequency distribution. Less than cumulative frequency distribution. It is obtained by adding successively the frequencies of all the previous classes, including the class against which it is written. The cumulative is started from the lowest to the highest size. More than cumulative frequency distribution. It is obtained by the cumulative total of frequencies starting from highest to the lowest class. After we find the cumulative frequency distribution values for the grouped or ungrouped data, we need to identify the median from the cumulative frequency distribution table. Median is usually identifying the middle term from the data, but identifying the median from this cumulative frequency distribution will be some value in the class interval. So, we take the class interval in which the cumulative frequency value is greater than or nearest to n by 2, where n total number of frequencies, and call this class interval as median class. After finding the median class, we use the following formula for calculating the median. Median equals Z plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, where L equals lower limit of median class, n equals number of observations, CF equals cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class, F equals frequency of median class, H equals class size, assuming class size to be equal. Let us now see some examples to find the median of group data. Example. Consider a group frequency distribution of marks obtained out of 100 by 53 students in a certain examination as follows. Find the median of this data. Solution. From the given group frequency distribution table, we have to find the cumulative frequency for each class interval using the formula cumulative frequency equals current class interval frequency plus previous class interval frequency. Then find out the median of the group data. For the class interval of 0 to 10, number of students are 5, then cumulative frequency is 5. Consider the class interval of 10 to 20, as the number of students are 3. Then, cumulative frequency equals current class interval frequency, plus previous class interval frequency. This is equal to 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. Similarly, for the other class intervals also, we calculate the cumulative frequencies. Consider the class interval of 20 to 30, as the number of students are 4. Then, cumulative frequency equals 8 plus 4 equals 12. For the class interval of 30 to 40, as the number of students are 3. Then, cumulative frequency is 12 plus 3 equals 15. For the class interval of 40 to 50, as the number of students are 3. Then, cumulative frequency is 15 plus 3 equals 18. For the class interval of 50 to 60, as the number of students are 4. Then, cumulative frequency is 18 plus 4 equals 22. For the class interval of 60 to 70, as the number of students are 7. Then, cumulative frequency is 22 plus 7 equals 29. For the class interval of 70 to 80, as the number of students are 9. Then, cumulative frequency is 29 plus 9 equals 38. For the class interval of 80 to 90, as the number of students are 7. Then, cumulative frequency is 38 plus 7 equals 45. for the class interval of 90 to 100, as the number of students are 8. Then, cumulative frequency is 45 plus 8 equals 53. Now, we have to find the median class. As number of students, n, equals 53. Then, we have n by 2 equals 53 by 2 equals 26.5. From the cumulative frequency table, cumulative frequency 29 is greater, or nearest to the value 26.5. The cumulative frequency 29 has class interval 60 to 70. Therefore, the median class equals 16 to 70. From the median class equals 16 to 70, we have L is the lower limit, equals 60. CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding 16 to 70, equals 22. F is the frequency of median class 16 to 70, equals 7. H is the class size, equals 10. Substituting L equals 53, n by 2 equals 26.5, CF equals 22, H equals 10 and F equals 7. The median formula, that is, median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. We have median equals 53 plus 26.5 minus 22 by 7 into 10. This is equal to 53 plus 4.5 by 7 into 10. This is equal to 53 plus 45 by 7. This is equal to 53 plus 6.4. This is equal to 59.4. Therefore median equals 59.4. Therefore, about half the students have scored marks less than 59.4, and the other half have scored marks more than 59.4. Example 2. A survey regarding the heights, in centimeters, of 51 girls of class 10th of a school was conducted, and the following data was obtained. Find the median height. Solution. From the table given we can say that, number of girls in class 10th, that is, n equals 51. For finding the median of height, we need to find the class intervals, and corresponding frequencies. The given distribution in the table is less than type. So, 140, 145, 150, 155, 160 and 165 are the upper limits of corresponding class intervals. Therefore, the classes should be below 140, 140 to 145, 145 to 150, 150 to 155, and 155 to 160.